So let me tell you, first of all, no. Second of all, no.
Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Welcome back to another What $100 Will Buy You video. There are a lot of Asian clothing websites out there. Let's see if I can name a few. Shein, Romwe, Stylewe, Zoffle, which is a terrible name. That's Zoffle. Anyway, the list goes on. I have chosen Romwe today. Well, actually, I chose it about a month and a half ago, but all the clothing got here, and now I'm ready. What I'm going to do is show you each piece up close while I'm sitting here, and then I will try the pieces that are appropriate on. You'll know what I mean when you see what I got. All right. By the way, some of this stuff is for Ava. I warned you guys some of it was going to be for Ava. And let's start with this. Okay, first, what's this? Okay, so this is a little dress, a floral dress, nothing too fancy. I like the pattern. It could be a cute little summer dress. No label on it. All right, there's that. It's not for me. So, good mom alert right here. This is for Ava. She wanted it badly, and I didn't see much harm in it. I'm a happy-go-lucky ray of sunshine, is what it says. And it's yellow. The thing that I didn't expect about this t-shirt is it's not exactly t-shirt material. It's more like bathing suit. Not quite wetsuit, but bathing suit material. That's made to look like cotton. Anyway, she'll be wearing this around the house. Not only because of this right here, but also because it's very short. So there's that other item. Okay, this is for me. I'm not one for graphic shirts, wearing slogans, but I thought this was cute. Very crunchy. So let me tell you, first of all, no. Second of all, no. I just thought that was really funny and kind of how I feel all the time. And with a cute little pair of jeans, yep. Here's another dress in a handy Ziploc. I think this is darling. Look at the birdies. And you know what? Even though this was from Romwe, it says Shein on it. I'm thinking they maybe buy from the same place or are the same company. That's cute. And it's that same sort of bathing suit material. So I'll be trying that on. So I must tell you guys, the 90s were my favorite years ever. Let's see, all of them? Most of them. Therefore, I purchased this. It's cute. And it's size large. Yeah, it fits like a medium. So if anyone asks me about this t-shirt, I'll just, mention that I was born during the 90s. Okay, this is also for Ava. It is a top and skirt ensemble. It looks tiny. Ugh. And short. Size is that medium. It'll fit her. So that little number goes with this little number. And this is a black jean skirt. Cute. That's going to be gigantic on that little baby body. But the good thing is I could try it on. Okay, the next two things are bikinis. And while I said to Ava that they were for her, we'll see about that. I don't know if they're too sexy or what. Oh, this is big. It has pads in it. Ow, hit myself in the face. It actually may not be too big. And if it's too small, you just open this up back here. And that goes with, believe it or not, these look ginormous. Did I make her get a size large? She's gonna be mad at me. But here's the bottoms that go with this, which in the picture, I think it went together a little bit better. Maybe those oranges match, because these don't. Anyway, that's that bikini. Here's the next one, which I think is darling. Again, this is very big. So this is the kind of bikini top I like. I don't like anything wrapped around my neck, pulling it forward. So I always choose the bra type of bikini tops. So here's this one. And it goes with, this has cows or something on it, but it also has Christmas trees, which I don't know if we meant to do that, but there's that. It's too big for my child. I'm always told when ordering from these Asian clothing stores to get a size larger than you normally would. And that's what I did, and some of it's too big. So let's try stuff on. That's it for this haul. What do we try on first? Well, since I have jeans on, let's try on the t-shirts first. Yeah, you can see me now. You don't need to see my melon, do you? I had to. And it is very short, front and back. And I don't think I'm gonna let her wear this. Okay, bye. Oh wait, let's do this little trick. I love it. I love the neckline. I love, you know, the color. I wear so much gray. And it fits perfectly. First of all, no. Second of all, okay, let's do that again, shall we? So the quality between these two t-shirts is very different. And I'm not saying one is better than the other, it's just very different. This is soft and thin, and this is a little bit stiffer and thicker. But sometimes I like them stiff and thick, my t-shirts. So, cute. Next. Here's Ava's outfit. I think that this skirt might go a little bit lower on her waist. And although she likes high-waisted things, this is pretty high. And I don't think it's meant to be this high, but it's a cute skirt. Oh, it's my sweater I took off. Excuse me. As you can see, it's short, and I don't wear short stuff. But maybe with a black sweater, it might be less of an issue. Because this plus that equals, I don't think so. Those of you who remember that I had birds, they flew away. And while I was so happy for their freedom, I was very sad at the same time because they probably died. So, bird dress. 1, 2, 3. This is just a plain old shift dress, and it actually comes down low enough for me to feel comfortable wearing it, and I could bend over and no one behind me would be offended. Well, I hope not. So I just had my husband take a picture of me in this dress. And whilst it's not the most flattering dress, it's really colorful and pretty, and I have to say I like it. I don't have high hopes for this one. Oh, you can make it as, oh, it's adjustable straps by how tightly you tie the front. Let's give it a whirl. There's not much tying to do here. I bet you could do that. It cinches up in the back too. And it's super clingy. So I'm thinking if you make it go like this, I have a bow tie. Cover up my bra straps with my hair. It's okay. That was a curtsy. You know what I potentially could like about this dress is you can tuck in your pit fat on the sides here and it stays. It's a good thing. All right, I think that's enough with this dress. Cute. Cuter than I thought. Later. So Romwe. Let's see how I feel about Romwe. I feel like with ordering items from a website like Romwe, it's kind of hard to judge what you're really gonna get. Some pieces were good, some pieces were okay. Nothing was truly horrible. And if it was, I don't think that sending it back would do any good. It probably would cost more than the item itself. But I think all in all, it was a good haul. I liked the t-shirts. I think the bird dress was darling. I think the floral dress with the weird tie in the front will be nice for Ava. The bathing suits may be too big. The black skirt and pink top were very cute for Ava. I don't know what's happening here. And I'd have to say my favorite item is the gray t-shirt. Just because it's soft, it fit well, and it's funny. Although I don't really like things that are funny. So that's it, you guys, for this video on what $100 will buy you at Romwe. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I know that I did. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below, and I'll see you very soon with more videos. Bye, guys.